This is how expats get insanely cheap prices on accommodation in Thailand. I will share with you the best time to get a great deal, what apps and websites to use, and how to get the best deal, including a little known secret expats use to get insanely cheap prices. 99% of people aren't doing this, and it guarantees you get the best price available. We'll also look at where is the best place in Thailand, and these tips will work for you whether or not you're looking at short-term holidays or long-term rentals. Let's do it. So before we can start using the best apps and websites to find the best deals, first we need to look at some things that will affect the prices you get with Thailand property market. So there's two main seasons. There's off-peak season. Off-peak is from April through to October. And then you've got peak season, which is November through to March. During peak season, you can pay 3, even 4 times the normal rate. So it does make sense if you are looking for the best deals to look during the off-peak season. The other things you want to consider is you need to go outside of the tourist attraction areas. It doesn't have to be far outside. You can be 5 to 10 minutes away from the popular tourist areas and still be getting great value and really close to these popular tourist places. So you don't have to go too far out. The other thing to look at is you are going to find the best deals in local Thai neighborhoods. These areas are often much cheaper, more affordable, and the local Thai people are much more willing to give you a great deal. Before we can use the little known secret expats use to get insanely cheap accommodation deals in Thailand, we first need to look at where it is that you want to stay. And the best way to do this quickly and easily is to do some research online through apps and websites. For short-term stays up to 1 month, the best apps to use are Agoda, Booking.com or Airbnb. I find that there's better deals on Agoda than Booking.com or Airbnb. All three can be very trustworthy for the short-term stays here in Thailand. For the longer-term stays, so 1 month or more, there's 3 commonly used websites. One is called Fazwaz, the second is HitFlat, and the third is Property Hub. You can also use Facebook Marketplace as well to do this research. The 3 property websites are the same as any other property website. You just search for rentals rather than buying, and then you select the area that you're looking for, and you can add in your budget as well, so how much you're looking to spend. From there, it'll give you a list of the properties in your area within your budget. The same you can do at the Facebook Marketplace. You just select property rentals, and then you get a list from there. You can also then break it down to fit within your budget. I took a leap and embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. So at this stage, you really just want to take note of the property name. If you are looking to stay in a resort or an apartment block, if it's a house that you're looking to stay in, then you want to take note of the owner's details. Why? Because the little known secret expats use to get insanely cheap deals is to negotiate directly with the properties themselves. The reason being is that it's very common to negotiate on price in Thailand, even when it's accommodation. Also, a lot of these apps and websites will charge some kind of platform fee, so it does make sense for the owners to negotiate directly with you, as it does save them money as well. So the best thing to do is just contact the property directly. You can search their name on Google You can find their contact details on Facebook Marketplace. Just get the number, give them a call, arrange a time to go and have a look at the place, and then you can begin the negotiations on the price. You just need to make sure that you are speaking with the property managers or the owners, because if you are going through an agent, you do have less opportunity to negotiate on the price. If you are going through the Facebook Marketplace, just make sure when you meet the owner that you request evidence that they do own the property. It's not common, but some people have been caught out renting a place just to find out that the owner has different plans for the place that doesn't include them. Just be careful, make sure you're requesting evidence that they own the place before you hand over any money. So now that you know how to get insanely cheap deals on accommodation in Thailand, the next step is to work out where in Thailand you want to stay. I do have a video where I've outlined the best place in all of Thailand. You can watch it now by clicking here. So just click here and you can watch it.